this time at the Quick Speed Shop, is this junk actually going to run? Come on, baby. Huh. Let's pop the sucker open. There's no fuel in the bowl. I tipped it over and didn't come out. I forgot there's a plug down here I should have opened. Maybe that lets air or lets the air out of the bowl and lets the fuel in. But we're gonna pop the sucker in half and see what's shaking. There's only one bolt that holds the whole carburetor together, right here at the bottom. And it goes all the way up through. Go ahead and we'll take a peek at the inside. Oh. Man. So I got a brass drift right here. Got a piece of brass. There's a brass drift right there. This little tap. Nope. Still. Aha! There we go. Well, definitely wasn't getting any fuel. The needle valve might have been stuck. The needle valve, where are you? The needle valve appears to be working now. Maybe I need to remove that plug on the bottom and let the gas into it. This guy here is awful tight like a tiger. What I'm going to do is I got a carburetor rebuild kit. I'm not going to rebuild it right now because it looks like it's been rebuilt. And the needle seat appears to be working. I'm going to put a new gasket on here on the main bowl and stick it back together, and then I'll open that drain line when we put gas back in it, and we'll see if that does it. Alright, here we go. The carburetor's not 100%. It's dripping just a little bit, but I want to fire it up anyways and try it. I'm going to wipe this excess gas off. And the gasket I put in here is subpar, and it's leaking out of that. It's also leaking out of the bottom bolt. I have another Zenith carburetor that I bought at Hershey that's nice, but the fuel inlet's over here, and I don't want to bend this line if I don't have to, but I might have to get another rebuild kit and re-gasket this with a better gasket. But I think we're going to try it in the meantime. I'll get the wet gas off it, and we'll try it right quick. Here we go! Ignition's on. I'm going to try it. Here we go. Ready? Let me run this by hand. There, here we go. Come on, baby. Whoa! Here we go. Choker just a little bit. Need too many hands here. Damn! Woo, doggy, look at that! She runs! It's foggy, but she runs! Hot diggity dog! I gotta turn on the fan, it's smoky in here. Man, this thing's a smoke show. Woo! This thing runs like a son of a gun. Man, it's super smooth. Wow. It runs like a brand new Model A. Holy moly. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna have to get the radiator out now, get some go-go juice in the tank, and look at that! That's awesome! Woo! I can't believe this engine runs that cool. This thing's awesome. So I think I'm gonna cut it off here for this video. But next time, I'm gonna be putting some of the front end back together, the radiator, the grill shell, the hood, and we'll go from there. So as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to put a circle over there on that tire. Hit that. And putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So go ahead and subscribe. Tell your friends. And as always, we'll see you again for more smoky action at the Quick Speed Shop.